Hi angels, welcome to Angelic Organics shampoo and conditioner how-to video. So your first step is to fully saturate your hair. You want to make sure your hair is completely wet before you apply the shampoo. This is going to help with lather. Once you have the shampoo, go ahead and apply it starting from your roots. Use your fingertips to rub it in and not your nails to not damage any hair follicles. If you like a lot of lather, go ahead and shampoo twice, as you're likely going to get more lather on the second attempt. Make sure you completely rinse your hair of the shampoo before moving on to adding the conditioner. Once your hair is fully rinsed, go ahead and add the conditioner, starting from the tips, working your way up. So you'll saturate each strand with the conditioner. Feel free to use a detangling brush if that's going to make it easier. So you are sure that each strand is fully saturated. And you want to make sure it's fully saturated because this is going to help with frizz. This is going to minimize a lot of frizz. So fully condition your hair from tips to root. Once your hair feels saturated, you can see the curls popping. Go ahead and leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse out completely. And that's it. It is that simple to achieve hydrated, moisturized curls. Thank you so much for watching.